Anthony from RV Adventure Ontario. We are at Algonquin Park this week, and we are staying at Pog Lake Campground. So this week we're on vacation. I have both my kids with us, which is amazing. Courtney and James, and Courtney is visiting from British Columbia, Canada. She lives on Vancouver Island, so she's here visiting family. So it's certainly nice to have her. So super excited and looking forward to an awesome week. We're at kilometer 45 on Highway 60, heading into Beaver Pond Trail. A couple kilometer hike. Should be fun. Okay, so this path is pretty decent as far as going through. It's an easy hike, not accessible, that's for sure, but I would say any kids or even elderly adults could do this no problem. So really nice, scenic. On this hike there's 2 beaver ponds to stop and have a look at. Let's go in here and have a look right now. So the trail will bring you out to a boardwalk that takes you right across both beaver ponds. There's one on my left here, and then there's that one I just showed you before we got to the boardwalk. All right, another section of the trail we come up to is some stairs going up. Nothing too hard, that's for sure, but as long as you can do the stairs, you can do this trail. Going up to the Beaver Dam along the trail. So there's a few stairs up and down so far on this hike, and we're just coming into another one. Not too bad though, totally doable. Alright, we're up on a bit of a crest here. You can see, nice, beautiful, old big beaver pond. Pretty massive really. And then just flows in this way to where that dam was we just walked by. Yeah, the dogs are enjoying the chipmunks. We're trying to get them, but they can't. Alright, we're at the highest peak of this hike, and it's about 50-meter elevation, so about 150 feet. Here's the view, spectacular, overlooking both beaver ponds. Gorgeous. Back at the truck now, just finished the hike. Definitely worth going to, very scenic, fun, little technical in a few spots, but definitely pretty easy to do. There's a total of 4 staircases that you're going up and down, so yep, good spot. Definitely check it out. Okay, we're just rented some kayaks. A beautiful day out here on the lake. Just doing a little bit of kayaking around the Pog Lake. I'm not sure if this is actually the part of Pog Lake or the main lake, so there's lots of different channels that go in and out, so lots of fun. You can rent kayaks for like $32 for the day. The Algonquin outfitters bring them in here, so super cheap and lots of fun. You can do canoes as well, so good times. Loving it. Those are the campsites right along the water and the beach. Really good sites. We had a great time at Algonquin Park at Pog Lake Campground. Highly recommend it. Some of the sites are a little tight for getting trailers in, so definitely do your research first. We were on site 373 and our trailer's 30 feet long, and it was a little bit tough to get it in here. So lots of trees to go around and everything, but it's not too bad. But just really research your sites if you're going to stay here. Other than that, it's a really nice, excellent park. So anyways, that's it for this trip. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on down the road. Cheers.